Everywhere I have taken that surface, it's a blank layer. Now I will show you how you can create a stroke around it. So going for the layer style, show you how you can create a stroke around the layer. So these we have the option of gradient. So we can pick up this gradient as a stroke. So let's pick up that one. And here is the size we can apply, opacity, color that we have to make linear art color over print. So it's an outside, we can make it inside. As you can see, we can increase the size as well and decrease as well. So there is the angle. We have the option for diamond, also radical, linear as well. We can scale up that one. So that's the stroke we have created. Thank you for watching.